Good day, everyone. Today, Nax. Okay. Pag-uusapan natin ang, well, this has been a controversy throughout Christianity. So, sa ating YouTube video ngayon ay ating pag-uusapan. Ano ba ang gusto ni Lord sa... Well, wala muna tayong baby, no? So, what God wants in this quarter. The first 3 months is going to wash down. That's how fast it goes. Today is February 24. Matatapos na ang unang 3 buwan ng taong ito. Congrats! Kung di pa na-recognize, this is a gentle reminder. So, may naririnig ako na second pandemic daw. Sabi ni Lord, it is a yes. It's gonna happen. Kaya nga, inaabisuhan na kayo ni Lord as early as now to pray to mitigate the effects of the pandemic. Marami kasi hindi nakaalam noong 2020. Sabi ni Lord, marami na akong prophets na nasabihan niya. The thing is, walang nakinig. Ngayon, this is a gentle reminder to pray na Lord, ano bang gagawin namin sa pandemic na to? Mas malala to ha, sabi ni Lord. Ito na yung effects ng mga vaccinated. At dito na lalabas yung mga vaccine injuries ng mga COVID-19. We have to be very careful onto this one. So, may pandemic na darating. So, and then, ano ba yung pandemic? So, ang yung virus daw, may bago daw may bago daw virus na darating. Pero sa totoo lang, nasa tao na. Diba? Magaling sila, guys. Magaling sila manggoyo. Tapos, ang propose sila, vaccine ulit na para maghalo-halo na yung gamot. And doon na magiging zombie yung tao unti-unti. So, magaling sila. So, if there is a vaccine mandate, do not do it. Kahit makulong kayo, kahit ano kayo, don't do it. Kasi napipilitan lang din yung gobyerno kasi they have to earn. So, who funds it? So, it's the Antichrist. Na, to be honest with you, nagoyo din niya ang mga richest people because sabi ni Lord sa akin, from the very beginning, they have nothing. Wala rin naman sila. So, they try to fool people, but, you cannot fool God. It is the Lord who has all the blessings and the power, not the devil. So, huwag kayong magpapoto mga kapatid sa Panginoon. So, sasabihin naman nila, ito, vaccine. Pero, hindi ba kayo nagtataka bakit vaccine? Bakit hindi iniinom? Bakit walang ganong option? Well, that's it. Marami kasing nauuto. Kasi vaccine kasi, it's straight to the veins kasi. So, unlike sa medicine na diluted pa. So, that's how we are fooled by the devil, no? So, kasunod na yan, syempre, unti-unti pinapakita na sa akin nila yung vision na gaano kagulo, pang may zombies na kung gaano kahirap ang lagay. So, we have to pray, no? So, we have to pray. Especially for those who are vaccinated. You avoid that vaccine shots again. Sabi ni Lord, yung unang wave, hindi pa halata. Yung second wave, ayan na yan. Diyan yun na makikita yan. Pati ang mga gobyerno magkakagulo-gulo sa pinasok nila. Kaya nga sabi nyo, it doesn't matter who wins the politics. The Antichrist wants a one-world government. Because in the first place, they don't have anything. Wala naman they don't have anything. So gusto na lang nilang magtangay ng tao para may karamay naman sila sa impyerno. Pero sa totoo lang, wala namang hari-hari sa impyerno. Kasi lahat ng demonyo nakatali. Sabi ni Lord sa akin, lahat sila suppressed na. Lahat ng powers nila ay masusuppress na pagdating sa second judgment. That is why it is a miserable time for the devil na sila-sila lang. So, as Christians who knows this, you should do something. Na, ayoko sumama sa paghihirap ng demonyo. And then therefore, go with the Lord. That is the meta moves. I know, it's gonna be hard because the devil is not gonna make it easy for you. So, decide now. Gusto mo ba kay Lord or gusto mo sa devil? Well, of course, you want to be with the Lord, pero your actions has to be in accordance sa kung ano ang gusto ng Lord. So, iyan tayo eh. So, sabi nila sa akin, gusto nyo sa akin, pero ang actions nyo sa devil. Di naman pwedeng ganon. Unfair naman yun sa mga nagpakahirap. Unfair naman yun kina Wycliffe, kina Martin Luther, hindi Martin Luther King ha. Martin Luther, unfair naman yan sa mga apostles, unfair naman yan sa mga Christians na nagsuffer ng persecution noong Industrial Revolution, noong Reformation, Counter-Reformation. Sobrang unfair naman kung ganun-ganun lang tayo ngayon. So, each will have a fair share of persecutions, but at the end of the day, once the gates of heaven will be opened unto the saint, there is no way that the devil can do that. Then can do anything to interfere. Ilan naman. That's all for this video. Do not take the vaccine shots. Do not follow any of those mandates by the government, especially if you find it silly enough, do not follow that one. That's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless.